What do you mean? Oh, piston. So, what does it do?
It's an ultrasonic cleaner.
Well, do they vibrate, like ultrasonically?
It's going to make a lot of noise.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, that's going to lower the temperature.
Now I need to have a bit more of this. Yeah, dropped it by 4 degrees.
Can you put a connecting rod in too, or just the...
Yeah, I'm just going to do these for right now. Soapy feeling. Back up temperature really fast. What's happening?
Well, who knew that ultrasonics messed with your video recording? So anything we said here is all secret.
It looks like it's doing more.
But what's the advantage over blasting?
What do you mean? There is no. It's just, I don't have to stand there and scrub it by hand.
Oh.
That's the only advantage.
Well,
pistons.
I mean barrels as well. You can't clean barrels in the blaster.
I don't anyway. It just
No,
means
it's
I
too
don't
much
stand here and do it.
It's not bad.
Let's rinse it off and air it off. So this is how the idler wheel went in, and this is how it came out. Still got to pull the pin out and clean inside, but pretty impressive considering I didn't have to sit there and scrub at it too. Okay, so we've got a set of our 2.7 connecting rods, and they're going to go into our newly acquired ultrasonic bath. We've kind of been playing with it the last few days, and it's been cleaning metal parts really well. So I just wanted to show you that's what it looks like going in, and then we'll look 20 minutes later when it comes out. Okay, out of the blaster, or out of the ultrasonic, still need to be blasted because they got, you can see the rust, which I would expect that not to come off. But
It's a good start.
pretty good. So we're moving on with our 2.7 liter engine. Right now I got the oil pump apart to see what's happening. We've got a lot of stuff in process. My case is already sent off to the case machine shop, and it's going to be there for probably six months or so. These do take a while. The gear doesn't want to come out for some reason. So during that time, we're going to use this time to go through all of his other components. And I'll get that off in a minute. So what I'm doing is I'm just cleaning everything, a quick look over. Don't have any excessive movement right here. We can't really bring it in there now because everything's still on it. But I look here, the first thing I do is I grab the shaft right here, make sure this part of the pump area isn't worn out. This is a common wear place. Quick look inside, obviously we're not clean yet, but no big scoring, no big lips. Same on the pressure pump side, that was the scavenge side. Doesn't look bad yet. Everything's got to clean up and do a true thorough inspection once it's cleaned, but just moving forward with it. One other thing to add is after we cleaned the cams, we did find that it looks like the cams have been resurfaced at some point. So we've got those packaged off and on the way to have a cam analyzer look at the load and look at the grind and give us a report as to whether or not they're going to be usable. Props. Okay, so we're pulling apart our cylinder heads, and it looks like these have been done pretty recently. TRW valves, which is a pretty nice valve. I like them myself. Doesn't have the Porsche emblem, so they're not original. Felt a little loose, but I'll still have to measure everything and see where we're at. Fancy, go fast, titanium-like retainers, pretty light. Who knows with the springs? The one thing I did notice is normally you have 3 or 4 shims in there. I had 1 shim on the intake side, even though it's next to the exhaust valve, and 2 shims on the exhaust side. So not sure where the spring heights are. It's a lot of just kind of investigation at this point. Pattern on the valve doesn't look horrible, either one, but they look like they're in too deep, like the seats are being over machined. So that's something we'll have to deal with in just a little bit. So I'm just going to clean up one to get an idea of where we're at, and then I can budget the time for what I'm going to do with the rest. Okay, so we're just working on our oil pump for our 2.7. All the gears look really nice. No major issues with them. People get a little over-critical with the actual gears. A little bit of normal marking on these is fine. Just so long as the profile's intact. I mean, I've seen them when they're so worn that this is worn flat and there's no radius right here. And the biggest thing to really take care of is we've surfaced our housing, making sure it sits flat. Also surfaced our intermediate plate, so it's going to sit flat. So we're just going to slide all of this back in. So we got our 2 pins. Get started. And I'm just going to grab some new nuts and lock washers. So I've just run these down so they're finger tight. I'm going to drive my pins in first. Rotates nice and smooth. Now I can go ahead and tighten my nuts down. Okay, so we're going to tighten down this one, 2, 3, 4. Rotates nice and smooth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lubricate this up right now, and we'll go ahead and bag it and put it on the shelf. We are still waiting on the crankcase. We've got the heads are in process right here. We've gone ahead and got those cleaned up. I've got the intake valves in my ultrasonic. The exhausts need to go in the ultrasonic next. Need to do installed heights. Looks like there was a lot of work done to these heads. The guides are looking good, but I need to go through, measure everything, pin fit everything, see where we're at. We've got all our valve gear all cleaned up. It wasn't shimmed very nicely, so we need to see what's going on there. But it's moving forward to get all this stuff done, so when the engine comes back from the machine shop for the engine case work, we can get straight into reassembly.